How to disable two-factor authentication on Paxful. If you want to disable two-factor authentication on Paxful, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is simply open your browser, go to paxful.com, or you can also use the app. Once you're logged into your account, you can see I have verified my phone number and have enabled two-factor authentication as well. So I can also choose to disable it by clicking on the profile icon from the top right, then simply going to this option that says Settings. Once I navigate to on the left hand side, you'll find this option called security option. Once you go to security, here you can see I have turned on email two-factor authentication. Now you might have turned on Google two-factor authentication, which is Google Auth, but I have turned on the email one. So what I will do here is to turn off the two-factor authentication. Let's say for login, right? I will simply turn off the toggle, but obviously it's going to ask me to verify my email. So it will send a code to my email. So I'll simply go to my registered email address right here. And once I basically go to my registered email address, I will simply search for the code that I've received from Paxful right here so that I can disable my two-factor authentication. I'll come back here, simply paste it, and once I've done that, I'll be able to go ahead and then basically disable my two-factor authentication. For this, similarly, I can disable for sending crypto and releasing crypto as well. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for seeing you in the next video.